And it's a good morning to Wes Davidson from Wes Davidson Real Estate. Wes, how you going?
Good. How are you, Emma?
I'm fantastic. Thanks, mate. We've had quite a bit of rain this week. Do you find that sort of makes your buyers and sellers get up and about a little bit more?
Certainly, I think the confidence of the general community goes up, but no, the buyers tend to hide in the cold weather, and we're okay with that. But it's been pretty active. One thing I have noticed, though, the rain's great, but every time we seem to have this lockdown in Melbourne, we do see a surge of inquiry from Melbourne on the internet from investors in particular, which has been quite interesting. And we've had a good look at that over the last couple of weeks and documented the inquiry levels, and it's really quite pronounced. So, bad for some, good for others.
Does much change at the end of the financial year? We head into July at the end of next week. Does it slow down? Does it speed up? Do people start wanting to sell more?
We've got quite a few listings coming in next week in particular. Some people waiting for the 1st of July to list them for tax reasons, understandably. School holidays, which start, of course, today, that's sort of tends to go a little bit quieter than normal because parents are busy looking after kids, which is totally understandable. They're probably not travelling too far at the moment. But it's one of those things, and we see it every year. We slow down around school holidays, and then it comes out with a vengeance. So I'm expecting quite a big July, actually, with all the positive news in the market. The real estate market still clearing huge amounts of auctions in Melbourne, in particular. Right across the country, still going very well, and certainly very strong here in Horsham. We're up about 30% on sales volume on last year. Looking at the figures, and we've still got a week to go. So that's quite a big year, as we do sell a lot of houses every year. So coming up next week, we've got a property on acreage. It's a really, really quaint property. I really like it. Great for the people with horses. We'll tell you more about that next week. Also got a 3-bedroom brick veneer coming in, which is in excellent condition. It's been very, very well built by whoever built that probably about 40, 50 years ago. Horsham West, so we had a brick veneer come up, but it sold before it even hit the market. We had another central unit come up, also sold before it went into the market this week. Quite a lot of properties you aren't seeing in the general public. They're just not making the market. They're just selling very quickly. And also got a new listing coming in Sunnyside, which will be good for the rental investor or for the home occupier. Quite a nice house in a great location near the Sunnyside Bowling Club. So all those sort of things happening. End of financial year, pretty busy. If you're looking to sell, we have a lot of buyers who are currently registered and looking for properties. We've got one buyer who's chewing at the bit to buy something just under $300,000. So if you've got a property in the 280 to 300 range, give us a call today, 5382 0000. And I'm still tipping the Brisbane Lions after their 44-point win last night.
Oh, for the cup, we'll have to put some money on it, Wes, and see what happens in a few months.
Might have done that early in the year.
Have a great weekend, Wes.
You too. Thanks, Em. See ya.